Aloha and mahalo as we arriving in Seattle, Washington. Just want to give a shout out to the elementary school that was in the background here, entertaining us with the chant. I totally forgot the name of the elementary school, so my apologies there. I recorded that in Kona International Airport as these elementary school students were boarding their plane and they were singing and chanting, and it was awesome. Thank you, and please subscribe.